Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Okay, update on my central unit in this 1996 Fleetwood single wide mobile home. Okay, the thermostat did fix the heat, but when I went to switch to AC, dead short. Popped the fuse. Same was what started all this. Now, I come to the conclusion it has to be the outside unit. So I did a thorough inspection of it today, and it's Sunday. Excuse me. So, AI, amazing enough, it could be right and it could be wrong on items that you research. It's like internet search engine. You have to watch on how you search certain keywords. Makes a difference. Well, come to find out, they say the contactor to be bad. I go, all right. I thought it was 230 volts. That's what goes to it. So I shut the power off. I went out. And I'm sitting there poking around. The coil for the 24 volt system, which operates the contact to turn the thing on, was melted. I don't know what caused that. But anyways, went to Amazon and I ordered another part. Hopefully I'll get it by the 1st. Is it going to be hard to change? Probably yes. Probably yes. There's a whole lot of wires coming off the thing. I'll put a picture of it. Now, the coil is supposed to have like a coating on it. I touched it and it just crumbled. I don't know what would cause that. I mean, the unit's what? Maybe 15 years old? No, it can't even be 15. I got it in 2015. So, I don't know. But it's bad. Contact in there, it's just burnt. I'm not exactly sure what caused it, but I ordered a new one. And here's the funny part. Now, most people, they don't even attempt to mess with this stuff. Me, I love a good challenge. But anyways, the part is a little over $10 with tax. And since I have Prime, free shipping. So when it gets here, there's no way to film. Now there's no way I can film and change it because where the unit sits up against the mobile home, it makes it impossible to film and be able to do the job. So there is a capacitor in there, and capacitor holds voltage. I don't know of any other way to release it, but I know one thing. I will be wearing gloves. And when I undo the contactor from the outside AC unit, I'm going to just kind of set it aside. I'm going to try to put the new one in place. And then like I do with everything else, one wire at a time, transfer it to the new contactor until I have all the wires from the old one to the new one. And I will show in bits and pieces of it. So that way, if you're afraid, I want you to know what's being done. But anyways, I'm going to show you a picture of what the thing looks like. And that's where we'll, that way, cut the video off. And maybe I can try to get an idea on what it would cost for a HVAC technician to come out and change such a thing. So, without further ado, I'll let you go.